So here I'm just showing you guys some pictures of my brows filled in. If you guys want this look, stay tuned. Bold brows, check out Arikat threads.
Olá, chicas e chicas, soy Arikat, o espectro outro lado está aqui de board e basicamente eu hago para documentar minha vida. Olá, chicas e chicas, my name is Arikat, or spelled the other way to Carbondale, and basically videos to document my life, or basically all these videos about my life. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Arikat, or like I said, the other way around to Carbondale, and I make videos to document my life. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment. That will be greatly appreciated. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with an update video. Sorry for the in close action, but we're gonna have a video about these nails as well in another video. I did want to go ahead and update you guys in this video. Today is, let me see, today is March 6th and today is Tuesday. Today is my off day for the week. So I'm like, let me get some videos up, some footage recorded. You're near. So if you guys don't know, I've decided to drop my 2 classes. I am still trying to pursue a degree in speech pathology, as well as obtain my certification in teaching English to foreign language speakers. Those are my goals for this year. I plan to get in the program next year because you're only allowed to do it every fall. So I'm not going to be doing my prereqs by this year, but by next year I surely will, and I hopefully will be starting my program fall 2019. So yeah, that's that. As far as traveling, no travel at the moment. I am working and going to school and just trying to save up money for my car, apartments, future things, travel, and then you guys will definitely see those travel vlogs once I am able to do that. Also, I may do a video over my hair if you guys like it. Just some cornrows I did to the back, and I'm putting a little puff back there. But this video is actually a requested video. Someone was watching my eyebrow tinting video, and they were like, so how you gonna show us how to tint? What are you, like, how you gonna show us how to tint and not show us how to fill in? I'm like, you're right, I can't even be mad at you. So we're on camera with these bushy natural eyebrows. I just bullied them out so you guys can see the true thickness of them. You guys see them? They're actually really thick. The thing is, I just like my eyebrows really dark. I mean, they're fairly dark here, but I just like them really dark. So I purposely did not tint my eyebrows. I'm actually going to tint them at this video. I purposely didn't tint them for 2 weeks to let the tint fade and so you guys can see my natural eyebrows. Sorry if I'm looking here because I'm so natural to look in here, but the camera lens is actually right here. So if you see me looking here, that's out of habit with the camera being here. Okay, so what you're going to need is some sort of powder. I use this 3-in-1 powder. I showed you guys this all the time. You can get this from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, anything like that, Dollar General, anything like that. They're usually about $1. I get mine from the Dollar Tree. The color actually is Lily, or BES 624. If you guys are wanting to purchase this, you know, this is the one I use. This is the powder I've been using for years. You're gonna also need a spoolie. This is from Revlon. My sister gave me this. You can get any spoolie from the Dollar Tree, Beauty Supply, whatever. You're gonna need a brush to fill in. I use this really fine brush I got from Wish in my Wish set. I've been using this, and I use a pencil. This pencil is from Color Mates. I'm just dropping everything. This is from Color Mates, and it's an eyeliner pencil, but I do use it for my eyebrows. Been doing it for years. And then I like to have a close-up mirror on hand, you know, so I can personally see. Even though I'm shooting a video, you guys know I be like this, doing what y'all can see. Okay, so yeah. Sorry y'all, my throat is sore and I am in the process of trying to eat breakfast. I'm having a Yoplait yogurt strawberry banana. And I bought these little flatbreads from Dollar Tree. I just scrambled some eggs, and it's just 2 slices of beef, which I'm gonna eat after this video. Yeah. If you guys also don't know, I officially stopped eating pork and shellfish due to religious reasons. I would not be eating those things anymore. So if you guys see me with any types of meat, they are other kinds besides those 2. No pork, no shellfish. And then with the fish, no fish that don't have fins and scales. So any like scavenger fish, so catfish, anything like crabs or shrimps or anything like that, would not be eating those. So if you guys are asking about my diet, that is what I'm changing. I'm also planning to do a fast, a water only fast, but I'm waiting because the week before I do the fast, I want to completely juice and gain all those nutrients, and then I'll do the fast. But that's also going to be for a religious reason, and I'll talk about fasting, and I'll talk about all of that, my journey. I'll definitely do more vlogs when it comes to my fasting when that time comes. But let's get back to this video. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spoolie out your eyebrows, which mine are pretty spoolied out, but I'm just going to make sure I hold the mirror down so you guys can really see what I'm doing. I'm spooling them out, and as you can see, they're pretty long. I do keep my eyebrows really long because you never know when you're gonna need that hair. Like, why trim it off? You might need it. So I'm just spooling them all out like this. This gives me the thickness of how I want to with my eyebrows. So from here to here, because this eyebrow is trying to get more filled up. So from here to here, as you can see, I have some little hairs growing down here, which I don't cut until I tint them. So it's gonna look a little untamed, okay? So after I spoolie them out, I do like an outline, and I do that with the powder. So I just dip my brush into here, and I'm making sure I get both sides because I do use both sides, and then I just tap off the excess. And I'm going to go ahead and outline my eyebrow, and you're going to see what I'm doing. I usually start right here in the middle because this eyebrow was the sparsiest in the middle. And I'm using a really light hand. As you can see, it's barely, well, it is showing up. Look at me lying. It's not as dark. And I'm just filling in really lightly, because sometimes my shape will change. So, and then you'll see me just start to kind of color that in. So you make an outline and you fill it in, which I'm doing here, and I'm trying to go slow. So I just filled in my bottom part. It looks more full than before. So now I have the bottom part done. Okay. I know it looks weird because this is still growing in, but trust me, it's gonna look good. Okay, so after I filled in the bottom part, I'm gonna fill in the top. So I know where my top kind of starts, so I just go ahead and start lightly filling that in. Like I said, this eyebrow is growing out, so I don't really start where my eyebrow starts because I'm growing this eyebrow out. Dabbing more into the brush here. And I'm outlining the top. Like I said, I'm gonna go high for this eyebrow, but it'll cut down once I get into it. And then with the front of my brow, if you guys don't know the whole story about the front of my brow, I used to get my eyebrows threaded a lot, and no, waxed. And she actually cut off a big chunk of my eyebrow. Like, that's why my eyebrow starts here, but this one doesn't start till a little bit back here. So that's why I have to like kind of draw one of the front parts, you know. But it's okay, y'all. We gonna get through this together. And you see, I just outlined the whole eyebrow. Okay? And I don't draw my tail yet, because all that'll get done towards the end. So I'm doing the same with the other brow, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys, so I know my eyebrows look really weird, but this is the beginning part. So I outlined the bottom. As you can see, they're really clean. I've outlined the top until they're basically filled in. So now I'm gonna go in and just I look at them really quickly to make sure the shape is right, which it fairly is right. I mean, it's fine. And now I'm gonna go ahead in with my spoolie, and the spoolie is to take some of that harshness away. And really let those hairs kind of shine a little bit than all this powder. Because I really like a natural look, but I like them to look really bold. And so then I literally take my finger, guys, and I just, you can feel that bone. I don't know what this is. You can feel it, and it'll clean it up really nicely. As you can see, it won't look as powdery. And that's how I get my tail. I mean, I'll fix it in the end, but I literally just do just like this. And right over the top. Nothing's on my finger, just my finger. Nothing came off. But it just looks a lot cleaner when I do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and spoolie back in and see my problem areas. So with this area, it's the front of my brow. So I have to really focus on getting the front of my brow together. Everything else is fine on this brow. So that's when the pencil comes in, because it's a little bit darker, has a little bit more pigment. And take a really light hand with this as well. I'm blocking the light. And you want to just make little hairs. Especially on this eyebrow, because this is my one that's sparsier in the front. And so that's how I fill that one in. Oops. And then right here in my arch area, I just make that a little bit darker, because like I said, this eyebrow's growing in and I don't want to cut or, you know, thread into that brow. And you can see when I do that, it looks a lot cleaner. And I'm starting to get my tail. The top's pretty fine. I just kind of lightly fill in with the pencil. You're going to see everything come together. And it really looks like that perfect shape that I like. And now you see that it's super harsh now, so now you have to re-spoolie it out and just get rid of those harsh lines. And I'm just doing like a brushing motion, and once you get rid of those lines, I mean, it looks fine to me. Let me see how this looks in the mirror. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty fine to me. And that's that eyebrow. Like I said, it's not the best sketch. That's why I tip my eyebrows now. But it's not the best outline or fill in, because now I know how to do them with tinting. But because I've been tinting for a while now, it's like, how do you really fill them in with powder anymore? But I do it occasionally if I'm lazy. Also, thing I have not showed you because I don't have any, I usually use mascara. After I spoolie out them initially, I do literally put on mascara, and that holds those that holds the eyebrow hairs in place. So when you do like the little fill in, the hairs are already darker. So I do that. But like I said, I don't have any mascara because I don't do that anymore. I simply just tint and then fill in where needed as it fades. So excuse my lack of expertise at the moment, because your girl had moved up, y'all. Sorry about my voice. I don't know why I'm getting hoarse. My throat was hurting when I first woke up, so hopefully I'm not getting sick. This eyebrow is a little bit different. It doesn't need as much work, but I do like to make it darker. Due to me making the other eyebrow look more filled in, I like to make sure this one's filled in. Like I said, my eyebrows look a lot better when they are tinted, because when excuse me, because when they're like this, it's like they look like I use powder. But when I use that mascara trick, which I'm about to show you, I'm about to get some mascara and show you the mascara trick, they really look really nice. Like I said, your girl ain't got there. So go ahead and spoolie out those harsh lines. I'm trying to go slow. I mean, none of my eyebrows look the same. Like, bruh. Let me put on my glasses so your God can see. Look at God. Yeah, so I could tell that I need to spoolie this out. Sorry for the light is like dimming because I'm using the outside light. I mean, it looks pretty, but now It's kind of like looking really dark. I guess because maybe the sun's trying to set. It's only like, what time is it? It's only 12:13, so I mean, what is the sun doing? Not trying to make me great. Okay, I'm just spooling out those harsh lines like I was showing you. I mean, and for me, this is acceptable. I'm about to use a ring light because it's diminishing the light. Okay, there we go. So this is that eyebrow. Like I said, this would be like if I had to run out the house, didn't have time to tint the night before. Excuse my face, because I'm suffering from hormonal acne, you guys. I was talking to my best friend about this. I suffer from a lot of hormonal acne. Just got over my period, so excuse all of this. These up here are moles and stuff, but a lot of it is hormonal acne, as you can see. I never get acne on my face. But I'm not ashamed to show you guys. So you can see how this one's really filled in. And now I need to kind of go back in and fill this in. So let me get the brush again and refill it in a little bit better. Like I said, my eyebrows need to be tinted and threaded. Ooh, the light kind of make it better for y'all to see what I'm doing. And you can see how my eyebrow hairs are thick. So that's why I wear them thick. I mean, I'm not gonna thin them out. You can see how this one goes more down and this one goes more like up. So I'm just applying that powder in there. Oh, this light's really helping to like really let you guys see the detail. That's why I always do it with a ring light. And there you go, guys. That is my eyebrow. I literally just do like this to make sure the hairs get in place. Spoolie them out like this. And make sure the hairs get in place. Get in formation, y'all. And then with my tail, I literally do just like this. I don't really make a tail because I don't have really pointy eyebrows, so. But this is the look of my eyebrows. I mean, they look crazy because people be like, why you wear your eyebrows so thick? Because I like it and my man like it, so it don't even matter. But this is my eyebrows, y'all. My ring light. I like them really thick, like. Alright guys, well this is the tutorial that you guys requested, the how to fill in my eyebrows. I'll definitely have to do another one showing you guys the mascara method, and like I said, you guys have already seen the one about the tinting, so go check that video out. It's kind of, you should watch this one first, and then when I get the mascara one in, you should watch that next, and then you should watch the eyebrow tinting, because I kind of did this out of order. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Adios chicos y chicas, te amo.